Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create viral TikTok, YouTube and Shorts and upload to your YouTube and TikTok and get a lot more subscribers and followers and make thousands of dollars by getting views. And in this video, I'm not going to use any external tool or any AI tool to generate this. I am going to show you how you can use your own laptop to generate these videos, which will add the background music, which will add the video clips, and which will also add the subtitles on that video. And we don't need to pay anything for that. We don't need to pay for any API key. Again, no external load, no watermarks and stuff like that. And we can generate unlimited views. You don't believe me? You will do once you watch the complete video. So make sure to subscribe the channel before watching the video. Now let me show you the demo of the videos which I have generated using this tool. So guys, these are some of the videos which I generated. Let's check out this first one.
AI is no longer the future, it's the present. From personalized learning to smarter healthcare, AI is transforming how we live, work, and connect. It powers our apps, runs our homes, and even helps us make better decisions. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI is changing our world. The question is, are we ready? AI and you evolve together.
Cool, right? Now let's check out the other video which I have created. Let's check out this one. This one is my favorite.
The weirdest animal fact you'll hear today starts now. Meet the immortal jellyfish. Yes, immortal. When it's injured or old, it reverts back to its baby stage, basically hitting life's reset button. Scientists are still trying to figure out how it cheats death. Forget cats with 9 lives. Jellyfish set infinite mode on. Nature is wild. Follow for more weird wonders.
Cool, right? So now let me take you to the process of how we will be generating these videos. Okay, so the first step in order to generate these type of video is to first use the Pexels API Key. So the video which you have seen in these short videos are the clips which we have generated from Pexels. We didn't manually pick those or didn't manually added those. System basically automatically did that, but we will just use the API key, which is a free API key. You will not be paying anything to Pexels to use their API key, and it's super simple to generate that API key. Okay, now let's head over to Google and just search for Pexels API key. And here you will get the first link which says free image and video API. Once you click that and click on get started, it's basically gonna ask you to log in and show you the API key. Okay, what is your purpose here? We are here to download free videos and photos, right? So I'm going to click on I want to download. And then I'm going to use sign up with Google in order to sign up. Okay, I just signed up to my Pexels. I'm going to Google that again. Pexels API key. Click on that Google link again, and then here it will say your API key. Let's give our project a name. Okay, click on I agree to terms and conditions, and then click on generate API key. Okay, you can see that we have our API key generated. Now let's navigate to the GitHub repository. This is the repository. You will find the link of that repository in the video description. And here you can see that it is a tool which we will be using. And it's super simple. So in order to use that, you need to make sure that you have Docker desktop installed. And I'm going to open my Docker on my MacBook. You can download the Docker from Docker website. So that was by Docker asking for password. So in order to download the Docker, you need to go to docker.com and you can download the Docker desktop from here. You can choose the appropriate version if you're using Linux, Windows or Mac. I have it already downloaded from a MacBook. So that's my Docker, which is now running. And now I'll open my terminal. Make sure your Docker desktop is already running. And after going to the terminal, we will add a command. So that is the command which is available on the GitHub repo. So I'm just going to copy this command and add my API key after equals to here. Make sure to add your own API key, which is really important. I'm going to copy this API key and paste into my command and then add this to my terminal. Okay. It's going to take 3 to 4 minutes initially when you run that. Once initialization is completed, it's only going to take few seconds in order to run the server. Okay, you can see that our server is running, which says UI server is running on localhost 3123. I'm going to copy this and open that on a new tab. Perfect. We have our short video maker ready to go and we are ready to create our videos. Now the next step is to generate the script for the videos. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. And here I'm going to give it a prompt. So that's the prompt which I'll be using, which says create a 30-second video script in an engaging and modern styles, perfect for YouTube Shorts, Reels or TikTok. The script should include a narrator, voiceover, clear scene description and a mix of emotional or surprising storytelling and with a strong call to action or closing line. This topic is, and here we will add our own topic of our own willingness. So I'm gonna copy this and then paste it here. I think we'll have to first log in as well. So let's log into the ChatGPT. Again, I'm gonna use my Google account to log into ChatGPT. Perfect. Now I'm going to add the prompt and add my topic here. So in this case, I'm generating a video for the funny farmer. Let's click on our script generator and see what we have. Perfect. We have our script ready. Now we will go to our video maker and follow all of the instructions given by the ChatGPT. So here let's go to short video maker, click on create your first video and then in the scene 1 I'm going to add the subtitle. So here are the subtitles. Now here in the search terms, these search terms are basically the search terms for the Pexels. So whatever search term you will add here, it will grab the video from the Pexel and automatically add that into the scene. In this scene, I think I need a farmer, so I'm just going to add farmer as my term. We can add multiple search terms as well by adding the comma. For this scene, I think farmer is good enough. Okay, now let's add in another scene. In the scene 2, same thing, I'm going to copy the subtitle. So here's the subtitle. Okay, now I'm going to repeat for all of the scenes and pause the video to show you guys once it's final. Okay guys, I have prepared all of the scenes, added relevant search terms in order to pull the video from the Pexels. And after doing so, I'm going to hit create video. You can change the settings from here. If you want to change the background music, you can select these background music. Here is the end screen padding, meaning after the narration ends, after the video ends, it's going to wait 1500 ms before actually ending the video. Here is the caption position. If you want the caption to the bottom, center or top, I'm going to select the center. Here is the caption background color. Here is the orientation. You can generate portrait or you can also generate landscape videos. Here is the voice. So there are multiple voices which you can use. I'm using this AF Hurt. And if you want to listen to the voice, it is basically, so this is Kokoro which I'm using here. And here you can listen to the voices in the examples. So if we go to models, text to speech, here you can see we have these AF Hurt, AF Nicole, AF Edora. You can listen to these and see which one you like the most, right? Okay, now let's click on generate video. And after clicking on the generate video, each 30-second video is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on what type of CPU and GPU you're using. I'm currently using a normal MacBook with 8 GB of RAM. It takes me normally 2 to 3 minutes. And once you click on generate video, you will see that on your terminal, the status. It is basically going to show you the percentage of how what is the progress of the video which is being currently created. Okay guys, here you can see the percentage of the progress. Currently it's 2% completed, and again it's gonna take 2 to 3 minutes depend on the CPU and GPU you're using. So I'm gonna pause the video and come back when the video is ready. Okay guys, as you can see, we have our 100% progress completed and it says video created successfully. Now if we go back to our web UI, you can see that our video is ready to be previewed.
Meet Joe, just your average farmer. Or is he? Joe's idea of high-tech farming is creative, feeding the cows, never without style. And yes, he's got more followers than you. He's got crops, jokes, and viral videos growing daily. Welcome to the farm with flair. This ain't your grandpa's farm. This is Funny Farmer Joe.
So that's it for the video guys, and I think you will like the result and you will like the tool as well. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any more improvements or create the second version of making it for the automation purposes via N8N workflow, so you can automatically generate these videos and then post to your YouTube channel automatically via N8N workflow. That's it for the video. Until next video, have a great day.